Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the cover fits your Apple Watch model and size. This avoids forced installs that can scratch. Next, clean the watch face and bezel with a microfiber cloth so adhesive or clip seat properly. Once done, power down or lock the screen to keep the crown and touchscreen inactive while you work. Now position the cover over the watch without pressing. Align the cutouts for the crown and sensors first so you can see exactly how it will sit. You'll now place the cover fully. Align the crown and sensor cutouts, then gently lay one edge onto the case and press to engage the clips. After the first side is seated, flex the opposite edge slightly and snap it down. This reduces stress on the clips and avoids bending. Make sure the digital crown and side button move freely. If resistance occurs, reopen and realign. Also confirm the band slots remain clear so bands can be removed without prying under the cover. Finish by testing functionality. Wake the screen, swipe, and check heart rate or other sensors to ensure nothing obstructs readings. If you notice gaps, rubbing on clothes, or stiff buttons, remove the cover and reseat it with attention to clip alignment. Small debris often causes misfit. If the cover remains loose or causes scratches, stop using it and replace it. Continued use can damage the watch. For persistent defects, contact the vendor for a replacement under warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.